So in order to log in or register to our application, first we are going to create a Firebase project for our application. So go to console.firebase.google.com and create add new project. Here it says the project name. I'm going to say iChat or whatever name you have given to your project. The country, you can state your own country here. I'm going to keep it for USA. Next, we are going to click that we accept the terms and conditions, blah, blah, blah. Click Create Project. It will take a few seconds to create your project here. It says your project is ready. We click Continue, and this will take us to our project. Here it says get started here, add Firebase to your project. So for iOS, we are going to click here, and this will go through and help us to set up our project. What we need here to put some information about our application. So I'm going to put it right here. And let's open on our Xcode here. And here is asking for a bundle identifier. So if we go to our project here, I am going to copy my bundle identifier and paste it there. App nickname, it's optional. App Store ID is optional. So I just click register the app. It will take a few seconds here. Now it says download a config file, which is the Google info plist. So click download. And it was downloaded to my download folder. So I show in Finder. So I can see it in my download folder here under the name. What we need to do here now is to add this info plist as it's shown here to our project. So I'm going to click next here, and then it says pod init, pod install Firebase. These steps we have already done. Click next, and now it says how to set up the Firebase. Okay, we don't care about this. We're going to do it later together. So let's give it a few more seconds to checking for the app has come. We are not going to do this now because we haven't done it yet. What I'm going to do is here under my info plist, I'm going to select file, add files to the project. And the reason I'm not drag and dropping the file from our downloads folder to here is sometimes Xcode had a bug before. I'm not sure if Apple has fixed it. So I'm going to import it this way. So I say copy items if needed. Then we are going to open the download folder here. And another thing to pay attention is make sure when you are downloading this file, it doesn't have anything after the file name. For example, if I download it again, it will have the same name and -1. So make sure it's clean.info.plist and no other characters in the name. So click add and see my Google service info plist file is added. Let's run our project with our Google info plist added now. Also, what we can do actually, if we go to our App Store here, not App Store, App Delegate, we can initialize our Firebase. So if I go to my application, did finish launching with options, first I need to say import Firebase. And now I can say Firebase app.configure. So let's run this again. I'm going to stop this and I'm going to run on iPhone 10 as we had before. So let's stop everything. And hopefully by the time we finish running, here our Firebase will detect our project and it will verify it. Okay, so it's reloading the application now. Okay, so we have our application running, and let's see if Firebase doesn't get it done in a few seconds. I'm going to click skip this step, and this will take us to our dashboard here. So we have under our authentication, I'm going to set up sign in method here. You can see everything is disabled here, so there are no options for our user to sign in. What I'm going to do is click edit here, and I'm going to enable my email and password sign in. So click save. See, we have now our email and password sign in enabled. So now we can actually register a user with our Firebase. I'm going to dismiss this and let's go back to our project. So now we have our Firebase linked up and we can use this to register a user to Firebase.